So a problem with grids and streets, and this one unfortunately has a block in the middle, so we can't simply use a combination formula thing because not all numbers are valid at all intersections. There is another way that you can approach this, however, and that's to kind of just fill in the grid in kind of a way. So at each intersection you're filling in the number of ways that you can get to that intersection. So you start by going in the straight directions. You can only get to this intersection one way. Can only get to this one way by going, one north. This is always by the shortest possible path. This one you can only get to one way, and this one you can only get to one way. Same thing with the ones across the bottom. These are each one. And then as you move up, at each intersection, you fill in the sum of the numbers that are to the west and to the south. So for example, this intersection here would be the sum of 1 and 1. This intersection would be the sum of 2 and 1, 3 and 1, and 4 and 1. This one likewise, 3, 6, 10, and 15. Here this one's going to be 4, and then 5 and 6. Now this one, since it only has 1 to the west and none to the south, this one just stays 10. This one up here becomes 25. This one, since it has nothing to the west but 1 to the south, it becomes 5. This one is 5 and 6. I know this is interesting to have me read you basic addition. 15 and 25 is 40. And then finally up in the corner, 40 plus 26 equals 66. The number that you reach up in this corner is the number of possible different routes that could be taken, and that's the answer. Answer choice B.